Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by killing power at the breaker and verifying it's dead, because safety is non-negotiable. Once the circuit is off, use a non-contact tester or multimeter to confirm no voltage is present at the switch. Then remove the wall plate and loosen the mounting screws so the switch can pull forward. Make sure to note which wires attach to which terminal and take a phone photo if needed. This saves time and prevents wiring errors when installing the new dimmer. Now you disconnect the old switch and prepare the wiring for the dimmer. First label the wires, identify line hot, load to fixture, and any neutral or ground. Carefully disconnect each conductor and inspect insulation. Strip about 1/2 inch if the copper is frayed. Next, follow the dimmer's instructions to attach any required pigtails or connectors. Proper wire nuts and tight twists ensure reliable contact. Once done, tuck wires neatly. With wiring completed, mount the dimmer into the electrical box and tighten the screws until snug. Make sure it is oriented correctly. Replace the wall plate, restore power at the breaker, and test the dimmer through its full range to confirm smooth dimming and no buzzing. If the lights flicker or hum, turn the breaker off and recheck connections. Ensure the dimmer is compatible with your bulb type, or try a resistor-rated or electronic-compatible model. That troubleshooting step fixes most common problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.